Good evening and welcome to the Q&A session number 7 from the chapter of waves. The topic is the comparison of wave velocity in the two strings. So based on this topic, I have one question for this session which was asked in the IIT JEE main exam in the year 2025. So this was a question which was asked in this year itself. So the question here is two strings of circular cross section are made of the same material and stretched to have the same amount of tension. A transverse wave is set up in the two strings. The velocity of the wave in the first string having the radius of cross section r is v1, and the velocity of wave in the second string having the radius of cross section r by 2 is v2. So we have to find the ratio of v2 upon v1. चार options दिए गए हैं and we have to find the correct option. So we know that the velocity of the wave, the velocity of the transverse wave in a string is equal to T divided by mu, where mu is the mass per unit length. So in the first case, the velocity will be equal to T upon, the velocity will be equal to under root of T upon mu. This is the formula for the velocity of the wave in velocity of the transverse wave in a string. So यहाँ पे mu हमें निकालना है. What is mu? Mu is the mass per unit length. So जो strings होती हैं, strings are basically cylindrical in shape like this. So here the strings have got a circular cross section. So the volume of the string of length say L, this will be equal to pi r square into L. This is the volume in the first case, that is in the case of the first string. So for the this mass per unit length, the volume will be equal to pi r square. Now, since both the two strings are made of the same material, so therefore their density will remain the same. So if I take the density, let us take the density of both the strings equal to rho. So in the first case, that is in the first string, the velocity is equal to v1. So this will be equal to under root T. Now mu is equal to mass per unit length, and mass is equal to density into volume. So density has been taken as rho, and volume will be equal to pi r square. So this is the value of v1 in the first case, in the first string, rho into pi r square. Now for the second string, the velocity is v2, and this will be equal to T divided by, now in the case of the second string, mu will be equal to, in the case of the second string, the radius of cross section is equal to r by 2. So the mass per unit length will be equal to pi r by 2 का whole square. So this is equal to r square by 4 into density. So this will be equal to pi r square rho, pi r square into rho, and this 4 will come in the numerator. So this will be equal to 40. So v2 upon v1. So v2 upon v1, this will be equal to this root t under root of t divided by rho pi r square. So this will be equal, I can write this as root t divided by root of rho pi r square. So sorry, this will be equal to 40. Sorry, v2 is equal to 40 upon pi r square rho. So this will be equal to 40 into, now v1 is equal to t under root of t divided by pi, rho pi r square. So this will be equal to this under root rho pi r square divided by root t. So here v2 upon v1, here you can say that this will get cancelled out, and root t and root t will also get cancelled out. So root 4 will be equal to 2. So the correct option here is B. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will again come up with a different type of a question from the topic of velocity of sound waves. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.